There's a place, that's where you go to catch fish over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was hoping to see those little red crabs out here again. They all kind of ran when we came over here. They're hiding now. That's the kind of interesting little area with little pools of water. I guess sometimes the water will flow over to here, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, and then it settles. Who plants all these trees here? I always see this like like they're trying to make a mangrove, but I noticed these trees aren't naturally occurring.
I didn't know.
They're like in plastic bags. Maybe the government does that. I don't know. Because at
Maybe.
at the base of the trees, I see they're in plastic bags or something, and they're
Maybe.
trying to get them to grow. Like I said, maybe they're trying to make a mangrove over here too. I don't know. I don't know. It's interesting though to see it. I'm gonna walk over there where that's where you catch the fish shit over there.
Yeah, but it's hard to go there.
Oh, it's hard to go there. Okay, I was gonna walk over there. I'd like to get that on video too if I could, but
Well, it's hard to go there.
okay.
Tanaw kayo siya dito.
Okay.
Just follow.
That one. Yeah, I'll follow you. Since you know how to go there.
Don't go naman. That's it's there. Wait,
Okay. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I know. Yeah. That's interesting little bridge too. Little pools of water from the ocean. The sea. No, I'm fine.
We're in the mountain.
I got it. Just watch out.
Uy, bitin. There's a water.
Yeah.
Katong pa dito?
This is all salt water from the ocean because Cordova actually soars around these little thorns here this time. Yeah. Kind of a lot of climbing I see. But it's okay though. Little shallow pool of water there. Even on this side. Do you know what that is over there? They have it with the
Oh, timpulok. Timpulok. Where are the
huh?
Pulok. Where are
Oh yeah, but I mean that water there, they have like ropes and floats there. I was trying to figure out what that is there. My battery's getting low.
That's
I gotta turn this off in a minute. Oh, it was flashing. Now it's okay now. I don't know why. Battery was flashing red. Now it's back to yellow. I don't know what the reason was for that. I'll have to charge this soon again. It's another tower. It's like another type of south side. I'll zoom in on it so I can see too. I think so. I just don't know what band that is. And some big building in the distance there. Oh, there's a fish over there? Yeah. Let's see if I can get it on video before my battery dies.
Gentleman?
Oh, I see, yeah. Oh, I see small fish there. I don't know if they're visible on the camera or not. Yeah,
There.
Yeah. I'm trying to get video of them.
Me.
Yeah, I'll just try to zoom in.
Tilapia mo guro na.
Tilapia? Ah, okay. Yeah, tilapia.
Bunog. Bunog.
Maybe that's a tilapia farm over
The
there,
name
maybe?
of the fish is tilapia and bunog.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. It's a tilapia. I'm not familiar with the other ones.
Yeah, let's take a video.
Yeah, let me zoom back out here. There you go. The battery's getting low, but you'll be okay for a while. This has 2 of the 3 bars. It's just yellow for some reason.
Malahan pa.
That might be a tilapia farm over there then. I don't know.
There's a...
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Careful.
Yeah.
Di ta makasuong tino. Adiha ah.
Ouch, that
Ang problema,
pointed
di ka
rock
pa uli.
hurts. Step on that.
Go. Asa ka naagit eh?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I know, I got it. It's okay. Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah. Something just went through my shoe. On my foot bottom. Hold on. It's in the bottom of my foot. Knocked me out a little bit. Ouch. Didn't realize those thorns were that hard. Went through the bottom of my shoe.
Natunog siya sa ruma.
But I'm about to pull it out here. Let me stop this video for a minute.